Okay, well, big news coming in. A Padma Shri winner is being threatened and with death threats by the Naxalites. Padma winner versus Naxals despite this man doing social work for years among the tribal groups. He has said he's being forced to return the award after death threats coming in from the Naxal extremists. In Chhattisgarh, you may have heard the name Vaidyaraj. He has been working for years now, specifically when it comes to traditional medicine. He had been helping people in the restive Narayanpur districts, but he has been receiving threats from the outlawed Maoists in this area. His name is Hemchand Majhi, but he's also known popularly as Vaidyaraj because he has been helping people with traditional medicine as a practitioner for nearly 50 years. The death threats have been also over the award. And he has said, I'm being coerced to quit and not to be associated in any way with, so to say, as he's received the award from the government. Piyush Mishra is joining me for the latest on that. But first, listen in to what Hemchand Majhi, alias Vaidyaraj, had to say.
पर्चा फेंकना ये करना मेरे को भी बेइज्जती कि पैसा मैं पहाड़ का पैसा एक पैसा भी पैसा नहीं खाया हूँ बिना इज्जत नहीं मन 16 करोड़ कोमल माझी के नाम से पर्चा फेंका था अब मेरे नाम से 11 करोड़ पैसा तो इसमें मैं बोलता हूँ सरकार के कि आप लोग वहाँ पूरा CIB जांच करो यदि पैसा है तो आप लोग खुद मन के ले लेना मैं बोलता हूँ कि अब पद्मश्री भी लौटा देता हूँ और आज से जड़ी बूटी भी नहीं करूँगा और माता का सेवा भी वो जे मने लड़ाता जुझाता है उन लोग उसको सेवा पूजा करे और ये करे अब माता गुड़ी में भी पूजा पाठ नहीं करेंगे.
He received a Padma Shri barely a month ago, and this is when it's called the People's Padma, where people from all walks of life are acknowledged for their contribution. Piyush Mishra is joining us for the latest. Piyush, but why would a Padma Shri award lead to such death threats that he says, and he looked disturbed that he's being forced to return the award? What happened?
Well, Pooja, since the time he was awarded Padma Shri award, he has been receiving death threats from Naxalites, and now he has decided to return back his Padma award. So remember that last month itself he was awarded Padma award, and since that time he has been receiving death threats. In fact, he is doing so because his nephew was also killed by Naxalites, and looking at the multiple threats he is receiving, he has now decided to return back his Padma award. He's also known as Vaidyaraj across Chhattisgarh, who has been working tirelessly for the people of Chhattisgarh, for the tribals of Chhattisgarh. But now, looking at the kind of threats he's receiving, he has decided to return back his Padma award and discontinue his service.
All right, Piyush, keep updating us. And it is a reminder of the situation that is still sensitive and serious on the ground. Had been practicing traditional medicine, helping people be treated who come from remote areas in Chhattisgarh. But he's now being threatened that how and why did you receive a Padma award from the government? Do you have more than what appears? And he's now being forced. Because remember, his relatives have also been killed earlier by the Maoists.